Today we are going to see economical biology introductions. Why the economical biology is very important for us. Why it is necessary to study the economical biology. So first there is a quotations. The gift of nature is almost unlimited, and thus a variety of useful products are obtained from plants. The gift of nature is almost unlimited, and thus a variety of useful productions obtained from plants. So nature itself have all the productions, all the food materials, all production is useful. The plants means they have the economic uses of plants are varied, and therefore the scope for improvement and their cultivations in immense. Economical uses of the plants are various. So there are a good number of the economical plants are available in this world, and therefore the crop for improvement and their cultivation is immense. Depend on that crop, how that the scope, how it is necessary to improve that crop cultivations. Then only we can get enough fruits. Floriculture and horticulture have gained considerable public attractions. So floriculture is nothing the cultivation of the flower, and horticulture, so this is one of the plant cultivations. So both are is very attractive for the public attractions. The recent scenario, more emphasis is given to the process of economically aspects of zoology like aquaculture. Aquaculture means the cultivation or culture of the fish. So first we should know that what is aquaculture. The culture in the water. It may be a fish, or it may be a prawn, it may be a crab or pearl. So we all know that is a fish, how that fish is there. So there are a good number of the fishes are available in this world. So the cultivations of the fishes, so that we call aquaculture. So this is the aquaculture, the fishes, the variety of the fishes, maybe is the ozone or is a sea. So they will completely covered, not allow the outer to get in, and inside the fishes may not escape from this area. So that they may provide the enough food for them, and they will cultivate the fishes, the culture. This we can say that is a culture. Prawns, so we all know that how it is the prawns is there. So it is one of the very economically culture. Prawns is always is more, or economically it's a high. It is very costly also. So if you are cultivate, so we can earn more money also. Crops. So it is one of the parts of the food items in our lunch or whatever may be. So this also we can cultivate a particular area, we can choose, and we can cultivate the crops. So this also comes under the condition of the aquaculture, because it is inside the water. The cultivation is inside the water. And next, pearl. So this is, we know that is a pearl. So these are the things which is used for ornamental things, or vermiculture. We can say that vermiculture. So it is this culture. So we use the earthworm, so make the organic materials. That maybe is a food material or some other biomaterial. It will make it or decompose and become as a manure or good fertilizer. That we call is a vermicompost. So this maybe is one of the cultivations. So look at that is the earthworm. So look at the decomposition of the vermicompost, and apiculture. Apiculture, anybody knows that apiculture is nothing, the cultivation of the honey bee for honey. So it is one of the economical important culture. So nowadays it is more costly of the honey. So honey we call is apiculture. So we can look after the honey bee, then only we can get the honey, then we can sales and we can earn the money. So this is one of the important economical. Dairy farming, we know that is what you mean by the dairy farming. Animals are looked after for to get the milk, and look after the cow so we can get enough milk. So this also we can one of the economical farming, so we can get more income. So which are already we have studied aquaculture, vermicompost, vermiculture, apiculture and dairy farming, which are gain more importance as animal based farming due to their economical and commercial value. So we can make a dairy farming. So what's the benefit of the dairy farming? We can get enough income, we can get enough amount of money. So that maybe is economically important for your family as well as the economical of the country. So a commercial value. So once again I repeat, that is a bronze, crafts, pearl, vermicompost, apiculture, dairy farming. So these are the topic we are going to discuss through these lessons. So first we are going to discuss aquaculture. So according to the, under the condition of the aquaculture, we can cultivate the fish, prawn, crabs and bird. Vermicompost or vermiculture, apiculture and dairy farming. So these are always gain more income. So that's the way we consider as a economically important value for earning money. So these are the topic we are going to discuss through this lesson. So aquaculture, vermiculture, apiculture and dairy farming. So these are the topic we are going to discuss in the detailed manner. Thank you.